Hello, let's glue book in my mini albums. I'm so excited. I'm back to say that I'm going to be turning my mini albums into glue books, giving my mini albums a new life. You can see in my past videos, I have a lot of mini albums, and I have some that I haven't even showed on my my channel. And I've decided that just to go ahead and not reuse, just give them a new life. There's places in here where I could glue book, and I'm just excited to get started and making my mini albums into glue books. If you want a complete flip through of this album, let me see if I'm in frame. You could check it out. I'll have it in the cards, and I'll have it listed. This is where I get my scrap papers from my projects when I say that. So I'm just excited right now to just start gluing. And in this one, I'm going to make an Enmasse that I was, inspired by Sharon Green. That was the first person I've ever heard who talk about Enmasse, and I don't know where she got it though from. But Enmasse, a glue book. I'm going to make this into an Enmasse glue book. So let's go ahead, put this on the side, get started. And if you don't know, an Enmasse book is one where you glue pretty much the same thing down. And this is my Playful Pets mini album. So I am just happy to get started and making it the tag that I had made and gluing down some Playful Pets. Okay, why when you talk about your pets, you gotta get a little kid voice. So, hope everybody's well today while we glue. This is the first time I ever made one of the Enmasse. But I'm glad to get back into it, my mini albums, because like I said, that's where I get my scraps from. And that's where I'm getting back my inspiration to glue book from. It's funny, it's making mini albums, because mini albums is, measured and, exact. So, and glue booking isn't. At least for me, it isn't. I just throw it together. And so, it gets my creative juices going to give it a break to come back and mini album. So I will be showing how to put the, together my mini album. It is a paper craft. It's advanced paper crafting. But that's if you want to, mini albums, people don't put photos in mini albums any longer, which is a shame. They keep them on their phones, and if something should happen, it gets lost on their phones. But I enjoy doing it. I love playing with the paper, the pattern paper and such. So, oh, I don't have it on here. Something I want to break this up, but I'll come back. I just wanted to come in and talk about how I was going to use my mini albums as glue books and give them a new life and things. And again, if you want to check out this mini album, it's on my channel. And I'll be gluing some more as I find more pictures of, he is so cute. When I find more pictures. So that's all I have for you today. I just wanted to come in and talk about how I was going to be turning this glue book, this mini album, into a Enmasse glue book by gluing down, the same pictures. And I will talk to you later. If you made it this far, you could put a little pet emoji that you have. If you have it, and if you don't have a pet, you could just do the wave emoji, just to show me that you were here. And I'd like to again thank you for watching. Bye.